A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Alright, so guys, I'm going to ask one question tonight. Alright, I feel much better. Yesterday I never feel so well. The cold weather and my sinus and my allergies, them act up. But I come around. So everybody who did that text me and I say, I hope me alright. I'm okay. Anyway, guys, I want to like this video for me. And I must ask you guys this. If you have a man at Jamaica, I ask the ladies and them, I ask the man them and put it in a comment. Because the topic you go based on it. If you have a man at Jamaica where you try with from Wapikill full up, when you have 2 kids times hard, and get a farm work ticket and he say, yo, me I go foreign, go try a thing. When he go foreign, he never understand the system. He realize him have married, if he get him stay. After he married now, the woman they start showing him a different life we never experienced in Jamaica. So, him start avoid the Jamaican woman till she come to terms and realize he's gone. But after that now, the child then get big and him file for the kids them, bring them over in a foreign. And then the kids them file for the mom so she can visit. Is he a bad person or in this the woman when struggle with from day one? Let me know in the comment. And vice versa, if a woman do that to a man, is she a bad person? Or what? Let me know in the comment. Or foreign of a change your body, or people have to do what them have to do. Because anyway, you take it on, guys, somebody will get hurt. Whether a woman when man married for the paper or the woman at Jamaica, somebody is going to get hurt. But as I said, this week is retro week. So some of these stories, you guys might hear it, but we analyzing it this way, like play it back and listen. Seeing like the one from yesterday, because I realize I have a lot of new person who wanna listen to certain videos I did have before, but all of my videos them are going to sound new. Alright, so I could listen to this and tell me what you think.
I had my first child for him when I was like get pregnant 19, having 20. Mm-hmm. Things was good and alright, and then we have a second one when at 25. He's 6 years older than me. Mm-hmm. And him leave and him go Canada and get a bus, you know. So I'm happy when he get the little bus. I tell you short, I'm happy for him because life never so great. And he get the bus and I'm glad for him, I'm not telling no lie. Never know so when him go up there. You know, really diss me.
When you say this, what you mean?
Diss me like fine woman, and when me ask him about the woman, then he ask me whom he want him for sex.
Oh.
Whatever, go for me, the funny man. Thing and thing. But me say it's not all about that, you know. Accept me call. You just need to accept me call when me call for me. If me call you 1 time and 2 times and you answer, me won't call you the 3rd time. Right. So to hold me obsessed with this man, it's like every minute of the day I have to pick up my phone and call him. And so me call him in and answer me. So that get me mad. So when you reach my yard now, me always call him. Because woman their yard. So he always quarrel with me because me not call me phone, man. No call me phone. You hear me tell you not call me phone. Me say, I mean the man live in Jamaica, you know. I never say me know me teens when he get me pregnant, you know. And because him find the woman, what the man to me, the man tell me say he'll be 17 years with me in life.
Oh God.
Wow. So mix up ball. They say me don't work, and me a cry. Me just find one good corner sometime and go cry.
We sit 17 years.
Remember me tell you, me get home, me a crying at the bed. My kids don't know about it, but the thing is now, he put them on filing. Yeah, he put them on the filing thing, and it take long to get through to because he leave here from 2008. And the kids then get through 2015.
Okay. Guys, on the reach so far and I like it with a man.
Come guys,
the end of the story, want to listen now. This is the end of the story, no man. When I deal with MIXUP bars up, press up the like button, man. The thumbs up something there for reach. More than 2,000 like on the video. We can continue.
Me live to see my kids go, my son go Canada. And tell me, say, Mommy, me didn't know where I go through, you know. You write me one long letter. text from the phone. I said, Mama, maybe know where I got to, you know, maybe know, but he want to go foreign.
Okay.
He know all of what daddy put me through, but then he want to go foreign. And him go up there and everything all right. And somebody said to me, say, Sandra, let me call her my name, delete a number out of your phone. That is the only way I will get rid of this man. Delete a number out of your phone. And I delete the number out of my phone. And thank God, when the kids reach up 2015, don't call him phone again. Yeah, I don't call him phone again, MIXUP boss. I'm like, better for me right now. Me happy when I go to Canada, you know. Me happy. Because the liberty never bad, never nice neither. So sometimes some things happen for a reason, and sometimes it's the best thing ever happen. The life of me I live now, me good.
So
and me happen to see my son come file for me.
Wow. Oh, so this son,
get me visa.
Oh, this one help you get a Canadian visa.
Yeah, this one help me get my visa.
Oh, so you're there Canada now?
Travel when me have the time to me have to work.
Oh, so you travel and go back and forth.
Travel, go back and forth.
So I become so you're not
Canada go see me now. And they know the thing MIXUP boss. They know the same room when they live in when he go Canada the first time till he move out. I see him room me go back in and go stay because I see him family member.
Oh.
Yeah, and he usually come at the house, see him we come look about the outside because the man elderly, the uncle is elderly. I mean, they truly see him room window and look down upon him in the yard. Yeah,
so,
see him room window.
So hold on, so when I go to Canada, I'm not talk to you, like?
Me see him now when me go, you know. Me see him when me go over there, you know.
How is it to you?
I don't even answer MIXUP boss. I don't answer him, you know. I don't answer him. No, I don't. Oh,
that wicked though. When the man tell you say waste. So well, when he say waste 17 years in your life, when do you find a better woman in my try say?
He look and say
no, take no call.
Find a better woman. Because he want papers and things, you know, so he can say waste 17 years in life with me.
I don't like that. And now you give me 2 kids when you have, right?
And me give me 2 boys when you have, yeah.
I'm not going to beat him bad still. Even though in this year, I'm not going to beat him bad. Because in idea, he still could have turned him back on the pit with them, but he filed for them.
No, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
He was a great father.
Right. So
he take care of them, everything. And the filing thing, tell me the truth, him do everything, money-wise, everything.
Right.
For the kids then. He was a good father. But what me I try to tell people is sometimes make them go on. Make them go on. Just better.
So you find a better man now?
Clear with you when him gone.
You find a better man now?
Me not even talk about the man thing, you know. But me I tell you, say life better for me right now. Even though in Canada, me out here, still what me have to do, and me good. I don't even want to live there. If I want, I could go and live. So sometimes let them go on. Let them go on, man. I don't even remember him again.
Oh.
One of the times some people dying out of his family, don't seem sweet me I think about it and say, some people dying, how much people left and how much brother and sister leave. And I give me now a 2 brother leave. I don't even remember him.
2 brother? Okay.
Yeah, 3 of them leave and he make 3. But I 2 me habits can leave out of everything. But I remember him as one of the brothers.
Yeah. Oh, I get that.
So I forget everything about him. Yeah, life goes on, man. People gonna foreign and left you. I'm a living testimony, man.
Okay, so life is better.
It's not bad. It's just only bad, you know? It's bad, but...
Wow.
Me cry, man. Me cry for him when he gone left me. Cry. And he tell me things all sort of something. Listen, man, me tell you, man, you're not nice. When I remember, me tell him, say, listen me, you say me come to Canada? And when I talk to all the human on the phone, your wife. Me say, next time you come again, that'll be me. I will come slap you in your face.
You can't do that in Canada. No, you can't do that in Canada.
That me usually tell her that I never going to get visa yet. God knows they don't get visa.
You can't do that in Canada.
You're going to slap me in the face, right? You're going to slap me in the face. Yes, anytime you come to Canada, me, I go come here, I go slap you in your face. And me so let me tell you something. Me happen to go Canada and go right at the doorway to my little son. And my little son was living there. And I know she did the house of people. Yeah, I know she did the house of people because she told me when I was she told me, say, I'm no threat to her because I am 1,000 miles away from her. She never expects to never reach there one of the day. Yeah, but I got my visa, it's all come through the father. Because if the father never go, he only take the son.
Right.
And the son them who look here to help me.
Right. So you see it? So all these boys them now?
Come out of it.
The boys them how much now?
One of them is 30 and one of them is 25.
Oh, big grown man now. Okay.
Yes, because they leave here from 2015. Couple years now.
Wow.
He left Jamaica from 2008.
And he's still with that lady now?
He's still with that lady because he got children with her.
Oh, you got kids with her too? Oh.
Yes. Okay. Kids with her. And he said, I'm not going to get married, me now. Because me call the phone. And he said, you know, me call the man phone. And the man no answer, you know, he answer. Yes, he answer. I said, we can't talk to you now. But I don't want to go to the room or something. He said, we can't talk to you now. And he hung up on me and said, one night me call the phone again. He no answer me. Time when he get married. He no answer me.
But you find out and you hold it and you see, well, now you outgrow him. So you don't really have him on your head like that. So that's why you could confront him.
I remember him.
The lady they were telling you to delete him number, the best thing she could ever tell you to do.
They said delete your number because every time you see this man number you are calling for. So delete it. Okay. And I deleted it. And you know, life goes on, MIXUP boss. And then let me tell people say, sometimes when I say they go and lift you.
That's it. Nobody have your hopes.
But sometimes victory at the end.
Yeah, but nobody have your hopes up, so them are going to come back for you. You know what I'm saying? Not enough time not happen the way there. Like, maybe when him left, him could tell us him go for better for you and him. Maybe me have to.
That in 10 years. That in 10 years, better life and all sorts of stuff, man, but they go diss me.
Oh, God.
Diss me. Listen, me not talk. Me not stop talk about it.
Yeah.
Because the man, he wicked to me. Me and him they get a struggle. Struggle when you pick up the man, because you the little baby we are asleep and we couldn't walk on it.
Wow.
I told we couldn't walk on that little bed. Outside, bathroom, everything. Me, if a time like no, tell a man to come and carry me a place like that. I say it never stay there. No,
right.
I mean, run in time now. If any time like no.
Wow.
But let me say it's good. It's good in the end for me. It's good. It's perfect. I best thing ever do in Ghana for him.
Best thing?
Best thing ever do. And like me said before, if he never go, he will not be able to take the boys, and the boys will not be able to take me.
Right, amen.
Because they take me and I can go anytime.
Wow.
Yes, and when I go, I stay with my big son. Both of them living together now. You understand me? It's good.
It's good. I asked my friend, we can tell you this, me up on the phone. And this is it, guys. Me open up your box. Do you think this man is a bad person? Or him have to do what him have to do? Because this way him talk and this way she talk, a lot of women go through it. I don't know if no woman dep on ya can come in your box or went through this. I mean no man go through it. But one thing I can say, yo, you have some woman guys, it's when they love. This lady says she ball every day. She call on him phone. As a goal, we say, man, did have to do what I have to do. But look on it the way, guys. Anyway you take it, somebody have to get hurt. You don't agree with me? Somebody did have to get thrown under the bus. It just happened that it is his son, mom. Somebody have to get thrown under the bus. Look at it this way. If indeed marry the lady, then just use her and get in papers, he could have come back to Jamaica and married the woman there. I know enough woman probably would have wanted him to do that. But the NID, I go left for next lady, a ball down the place. Because she go say Jamaican man come and use her. Yes, maybe not do it the right way, but he still send back for the kids them. He could have turn him back for his family. Tell me if you don't agree with me. So Jim Chaser there, tar up in her box because she a moderator. I love when she talk. Gold Rose, what you have to say about this? He's a good man, though.
Bro, you see in this situation, bro, we can't wrong him because you notice what she said when them start talking up on a little bed and blah blah blah. So it does cover shows. None of them never in a position. Even get an opportunity. And yes,
But
it
look,
hurt,
hold on the
but
pause. Read little put K comment. She said he never loved her then. You can't say he never love her.
I love the
Remember
share talk.
now, in go one different country and in order to make it better, him have to, it's either him use the woman in Canada. This is what I try to say, little put. Somebody have to get used. Because how am I going to get him citizenship? He can file for the kids them. Then the kids them file for his mother. So
But
Italy
bro,
are saying in a long run, it work out.
you
So
have to look on it like this too, bro. Remember, you know, you see where all them struggle. The woman I cannot probably do more for him in a short space of time than where the next woman do for him. So him, remember now, from 2008 and him still married to a woman a Canada. So that
oh,
shows that him is just a good goddamn man, but him just hold on for an opportunity, bro. Him help she forget fear visa, youth them come up. So him still even look out for her and give she the opportunity for travel well. She could have make something of fear herself to bro.
and this is it now with life, bro. Sometimes we make it in life, sacrifice have to make, bro. And sometimes people are gonna feel it. 'Cause if a woman, if she did go up on her, she would have to do what she have to do on her. But some people are gonna say, woman, ain't do that. She'll come back to her husband. Jim Tracer, Lala, we should not want to talk us. Lala?
Me I say what me I say is we not say him is a bad man. We not say him not making the right decision. What me I say, you see all of the disrespect or him disrespect her. You see how him I tell her all of them because something about me we 17 years from you.
17 years.
You never
Oh,
have to do them something that when you have to know where you come from, you know. You
yeah,
have to know where
that's
you
true.
come from. He
The
never have
speech,
to do that.
the
Yeah,
speech they rise to.
we're not talking about him being a father, a great father. We're not talking about all of that. But if he's gonna go be with somebody else and marry somebody else, be upfront with her, tell her exactly what's going on. But you can't say them something that's hurtful. Listen, let me tell you something, ladies. You can't build a home on another woman's tears. Okay? Never ever try to build a foundation on another woman's tears. Make sure that she is taken care of because as she bring him first to youth and them go through it. Other than that, me not discipline character. Him have to do him have to do, but him never have to say them something. The words hurt, you know.
You know,
Words
so
hurt.
that stuck in her head until this day, because when she share a story, she said that when he tell her that she ball too
You
long
know
for
that
work,
hurt you.
she
Oh,
lock up
oh,
in
you
a
would have to.
bathroom a
True
ball.
story.
Yeah,
Him,
man. You don't have to say that. You don't
Two
have to
side to his
say
story.
that.
Two side to his
I
story.
think,
Doesn't matter. He does
I
not
think,
have to
I,
say that.
well, on
No,
the Jim
Lala.
my
Chase,
thoughts
hold
on
on,
the
here, Jim Chase, I
reason,
say.
my thoughts on the reason why he probably said that was, remember, this is the love of her life, right? Somebody that she's waiting on. And I think
Mm-hmm.
that he was trying in a kind way to tell her that it not work and she just didn't get it. Because even her saying that she didn't get it. And in order for him to make sure understand, say it's over, he had to be harsh with her. I mean, I think him intend for hurt her, but just think
I
that
don't.
sometimes when you step out of something, in order for an next person to understand that you're done, like you have to be like cruel.
Mm-mm.
And maybe that's what he did.
But we have to look at it like this too. Him not just get up one morning and tell her, say, yo, me wait 17 years. Obviously, that stem from something she said to him. 'Cause remember, she angry, she pissed. So when she said to him, probably even a customer say, look how you done here, struggle, all this, that, and him just come out with that and just, him not just get up today and say, yo, me wait 17 years. That was a reply to something that she missed out. And can address Lala things that come forth. A man only lie to a woman when he really and truly concerned about your feelings. Him love
Oh,
that.
that's bullshit.
Him no. When when a man rate a woman, may I tell you this. Him want to tell you the truth, but him know how
He's
much
gonna
the
hold
truth I go
back.
eat you. Him not go tell you. So sometimes I'm gonna try to protect your feelings by not telling you the truth. Some man are just lie by
Mm.
nature, yes, me know. But when a man rate a woman,
Rose
him
Gold, your
want
guys
to tell you
sound
the truth.
strong. Or your audio sounds so normal, your sound more clear.
No man,
Him
may I drive,
connection
so
not
I
so
can't
good.
reach
Ah,
in.
Yeah.
you say my drive. Oh, all right, make
Let
him
me
come
reach
back.
in, me jump in back, you see me?
Yeah, all right.
Alright.
Mhm. But out of everything we say, as well, Lala say, the same thing here is still, I think, out of angry,
I
him
thought
get
you
up and he
called
say,
to ask for
yo.
strength
But
to
it can be
fight.
a way where he must say a better
You know,
life. You have
me
to
start
understand,
get
Jamaican man, when they
what you
start a
call it
certain
now, kind of
life,
suspicious. Me not
lifestyle,
understand
because
you.
foreign man love spoil
Even my
Jamaican man, you know.
house,
So
them
when
a
they
think say
start
them
get their
still to
lifestyle,
call me.
you must say, yo,
So me
wait,
call you
something
again.
you should do, you
You
know.
as if want to talk to me, so me want to know what
Yeah.
is the
And some
agenda.
things are just out
What
of
is
anger,
the
and even
agenda? You
Hold
know,
on the gene chaser. Sorry,
you
I
never, never,
accidentally
never
muted.
yet want to
Hold
talk to
on.
me. Me not
Hold on the gene
understand.
chaser. Hold on.
So make me understand
Gene
what
chaser,
is your
talk. I'm catch you
agenda.
something. Sorry.
You understand? Make
no,
me
me
understand
say
what
in
is
a
your agenda.
relationship,
When me
a
call
lot
to
of
you
times we
and
do and
talk
say
to
things
you,
that we
and you
not
living in a
mean.
place so me not
And
understand.
sometimes it's good
So
to
let me clear
confront a
from
person
where
when
where
they've
you
hurt you and
are.
say, you had
What
did
is your
this and it
agenda?
hurt, and
Please let me
get the
get it.
apology that you deserve. I don't think he meant that because
Me not living in
obviously
no
him loving
house for your
kids and
miss.
all of that. So
No house, me not living in for your get the
hopefully
end
he
straight,
will
get the
hear
end
this
fucking
and
straight,
know say
and
she
don't
hurt and
fucking piss me off
apologize.
because me I worse
I'm going to
fucking
say
man
this
worse
now
than your
on the
fucking
platform. I'm
daddy.
glad we get the chance to say it.
Don't piss me the fuck
Ladies, I'm
off
telling
too
you
Sunday.
this, and it
Go
goes for
living in your
guys too,
fucking
but most
business house
ladies.
place. You
Don't
there for
think if you're struggling with a man for
30
20
fucking
or
years and I don't
15
know that.
years,
Go
him
living in
owe
your
you
place,
in
man in your
lifetime
fucking head. Go
together.
living in your place. You come
Please,
like
me
your
see woman
fucking
come
head
and
and
say,
go
oh, me
start tell
struggle
me
with him
woman
and help
talk
build
man
him and
this a
then him
man. Don't
gone
fuck with
and
that
him
one them.
man to a different
This a man
woman.
I not like people and I like
Sometime in
especially
life,
family.
people have
Get your
to meet
fucking
you
head
to reach that
straight when you
stepping
talk to
stone in
me.
life. We go both ways,
Oh.
man and woman. So me and Lala
After
can
about
there.
living at your
Lala struggle
place
with me
and
and
me
she
don't
meet one
want to talk
different
to
man
you.
and
Me
her
don't want to
life
talk to
better.
me
We
one
can't
blood
go
clot
Lala
woman.
hostage. So,
If I don't
oh,
want to
because me
talk
and
to
did
you,
a
me don't
struggle
have
and
to
you
talk
just
to you.
left me so for a
I
different
don't even
man.
talk to my own
Nobody
mother.
not own nobody
And it's the
Me
now.
don't
same
want
thing
to
that
talk to you,
goes
me don't have to talk
when
to
they
you.
give a
Go
person the
call
opportunity to
anyone
even
them
get them
house and every
papers. Just
time me
because
come
they give
call
them
Right.
your
the
daughter
opportunity
and
doesn't
ask
mean
her
that
about
them
this
owe
somebody.
Oh,
you
you
for
feel
Me
their
want
like,
to know the
life.
yeah.
mad blood
Doesn't
clot
mean that
man
them have to
here.
stay with you.
Don't
They
fuck with
can
me.
leave.
I don't live
Yeah.
blood
True.
clot
People
no
need to
G.
True.
go off of that now. Like, oh,
Oh,
I'm going to give him
the
paper
blood
and him
clot
there
that
find a
blood
woman.
Morning,
clot years ago,
Melly.
woman.
Mm.
You said that
Lisa
dollar years
Marlin,
ago,
Ausa
sick clock
Mar,
to fix that.
RJ and Lisa,
You
which one
said
I
that
go
we change that
first?
door a blood clot with
Good
that shit a
morning. This
fucking sense.
Andrea.
But living
Good
at your
morning,
pussy, hey,
everyone.
don't make a don't
You know,
Morning.
don't fuck with me.
I'm looking at
You're
it both
lucky me just a see
ways
this a blood
because
clot
I'm
me
an
see that from
American.
morning here. Don't fuck with this
Mm-hmm.
It's
one,
not
this one a
easy, and
mad no
then with
blood
the
clot.
different laws and stuff
Oh,
changing, you
but me
can't
not
just
care
hop
about
in and
your
out of
your
marriage no
yard,
more
your
because we
pussy
getting
hole, your
scrutinized
yard house for your
for
dead.
certain things with
Me
immigration.
not have to argue with
Mm-hmm.
So
you.
it's
I
not to
don't have
say
to
that he
argue
should have
with you.
said those
The
things
God
to her,
bless you.
but she ought to
And the
be a little
Lord
bit
keep
more
you. And the
understanding
Lord
with the
make him
different
face
laws
shine
and
upon
changes
you.
that
You
Mm-hmm.
understand?
if he hop
And
up
No,
I
and
remember
get
it
his
know
happened
say
well
you're
on the
so out
RG. Me
of
now you mix
order
it point. It happened
and
from
rude.
a Canada perspective
Hear
and
the
it happened
hear
she's
the
sharing a
message
story
them
happened
can
to her
send
back
me.
then about 20 years ago.
Imagine that.
So maybe
oh
You
with
she
20
listen.
years
never
ago.
yeah,
Listen the
she
message
just
them where
come
you
to it
send
and
me.
I share how she
Me
get
shock
over him
me
and now she
shock
can visit Canada and see her boys
the
them. So
message
she
where you
does a
send me.
share it. On
Whether
some
me send
platforms
a
there,
dollar or
people who
don't
share
send,
story
it's my
currently, them
place and
can
me
share
not go
story
argue.
5 years,
Me
6
not
years
go
ago.
argue with the
I saw your
Janelle.
platforms
I'm
there.
not gonna
So
argue
and
with
I
you, but
like
me say
say maybe
God
she never
bless
have
you
the
and
knowledge of
keep
say
you.
him have to go and
You
married
understand?
and get him
Me not go
papers in
argue with
PR
you.
and
I'm
then
not
now
gonna
we
argue
can
with you.
put
So it no
him
matter how long me
whatever
there
and get the
foreign,
kids out.
and my place is my
But she
place.
didn't
But
understand that
me
with
never
him
know you will
leaving
have
and
up
going to
anything up
Canada,
in your
that he
agenda.
needed some
I
help
never know, and I never know
to
say I
be
say
able to
rude and
accomplish
out
that.
of order.
Because some people
But
come
me not
and
go
go to
argue
different
with you.
countries and
And
they
me say it
be
again,
places
God
5, 10,
bless
and
you.
15 to 20
But
years and
me
don't have themselves
something.
situated.
When me
And
come back, as a matter
that's
of
kind of
fact, me never
selfish
left you in my
for her to
placement. And
think
me
that
have,
he will wait
when me
that
come here,
long to
and
get
no
himself
matter how long I
situated
wanna
to
come
have a
here,
better life.
I been here.
She
Love.
Me
probably
have
didn't
no yard to go
understand.
back
I
to.
love, and she don't
But
You
the
understand.
thing of it
understand?
is
So even if
you
you
have
fix
to
it or do whatever you
to
do,
sit
tell
down
me
and
how much
talk
you
with that
spend for it. Let me
person
give it
and
back
let them
to
know
you.
this is
I
what I'm
didn't know
pushing
that you
off to
was that
do
type
to
of
better
person.
life
I am
for me and the
shocked.
kids, and you
You understand?
eventually.
Me shocked
You know what I'm
to be
saying?
honest.
Not
Me say
just jump up
again,
and make a
God bless
decision. You
you.
with somebody and not
Jesus.
discuss
The
and
thing
talk to
that
them
No,
about the
that's the issue. When
situation.
you come to
But
me and
That's
come
where
tell
he
RJ,
me
was
deal
wrong
with
because
friend,
he should have
what
sat down
can
yeah, you
me
should have
and
said
come
it
to
still.
me
But
if
and
you're
RJ,
come
in a
to
way you
tell
take
about
it,
me.
somebody's
Me
gonna
hurt
get
too.
used. That's my point.
I notes for this and
Somebody have
Yep.
to
spend
be
on this.
crying.
And when I come here, I say,
Yeah, but
so
it's
I
not a
have
matter
spend
of
this.
being
Yeah?
used. It's
And
a
tell you
matter
every
of
time, so I'm
moving
gonna run
ahead in
through.
life.
So you
But
go
you
come
have to
tell me,
be
say, me in
honest
your
and
place
open with
and
that
me no want
person.
talk to you.
And that's where
I
a lot
don't
of people
have
go
to.
wrong at. They not
I don't
honest
have
and
to talk to
open.
you.
Mm-hmm.
If you not
If
call
Mm-hmm.
if
me,
you sit down and talk to
I go
somebody
my
and you
tell them.
explain to them,
I
listen,
so
this
me
is what I'm
no
trying
you
to
call me for
accomplish.
chat about
You
your
either
pitney.
bite
That a
me
your
or
pitney
you
with your
move
pitney
away.
problem. I
But
don't
this is
wanna
what
hear
I
that.
want to do to
Me
move
there
forward in my
address
life,
to
to
my
better my
pitney. Me
life
no want
and
to
the
talk about
kids'
your
life.
pitney and where you and
Lisa,
your
And
pitney
if
have.
she not
So we
understanding
are
with
call my
that,
phone for
then
it's
hey, what
unnecessary for
can you
me. So
do?
I
Or
don't
if
need
he
to
not
hear that.
understanding with that,
Yes, what
what
me
you
I
gonna
say?
do?
Yeah,
Stay
where
stagnated
me
in
I do
your
right now,
life
so
because the
nobody no
person you
call.
with don't want you to move
All of a
ahead and
sudden
better
that now,
yourself?
me live in a house. When me I work
That's
and spend on the amount
selfish.
of things and spend the amount
Lisa,
of money, you never call
Marlin,
it and say my grandson, me say, yeah, I do this, I do
yeah.
that. No, me send that money come give. So no, you want to go hold the place too big and pretty. Oh, no, more say, mother, me say, not under my dead body. You must say, you must say sitting on the head, man. You must say sitting on the head, man. When I come and you know, right now, so you come in, I go come.
Yeah, hello?
yeah,
You listen what I want?
yeah, some of it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, it seems as if though say because when him
Mm-hmm.
say it was a husband, right? It means it was a property that was abandoned.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, but you can leave the woman of Canada now in tears, and then she would have said Jamaican man use her. You see it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah.
the man
So
could have just go
I
for
think
and turn
she's
back on the kids, them and a business and live a brand new life. But in still, be a man. And he's a good man, kind of with the woman that's what my brother did say, for too much years. So, in the switch, in stay with her. Right now, then still married. So, after you say, you must see something wrong where, and see when could have build. You know what I mean? So, when she a call
alrighty.
me, I check
Everybody know,
me.
but I think that she's still sad. I think that's still the love of her life. I don't think she's over him.
uh-uh.
Yeah, because she share two kids with him, and them we together from their 15, 17, she said. From when them have
She's
a
still
little
in
piece
love.
of them. Yeah.
That's the love of her life.
So this is
She
Yeah,
what
has
but
I'm
you
good
saying,
can't
life
you
though.
though.
can't
She
force
she
nobody to
accepted
love you if
it.
they done moved on though. That's the sad part about it. If somebody
No,
done
that's
moved on with
okay because depends
right,
It's
on how
okay
you
because yeah, they're
feel.
not forcing. It's just that
yeah,
she loved him and it hurt,
right.
and it
She
probably
Yeah,
still
accepted,
hurts.
she
it do hurt
accepts
you. You with
what he
that person
has,
for that long.
but she's hurting. She accept it, but
Morning, people.
it is what it is. She accept it.
Morning, Miss
Morning,
Ariel.
morning, Papa Ray.
Somebody drop out. Go on,
Good morning.
morning.
Do the man feel mean? The man the left eye after get a chance to go Canada.
So you know hear the story?
Me I hear it. Me I pick. Actually, me just show him the left him
Wait,
woman
wake
after
up and turn
17
on the
years.
light.
Papa Ray, look like you just wake up, turn on the live and come in here.
You know hear the story, my youth.
All right, Papa Ray, hear the situation here. A man there at Jamaica with one lady from him 17. And he struggle with her and then get two kids and then build up on one little house. He get a chance to go Canada. When he go Canada, he meet one lady and he say him nah come back. So in order for him stay, he have to marry the lady and get him paperwork. Years pass on, he tell the lady say he wait 17 years in life with she. So she will move on, etc. But so now the kids then get big, they may able to file for she can come to Canada. So she has said, oh, the man, this hurt her. But the end of the day, it work out because she can't get to visit her kids and can't travel and so. But she has said she and him build together from nothing until he get a little invitation to come to Canada. And he coming back on her. So me I say, anyway, you take somebody who go get hurt is either if he marry the lady in Canada, he can get him paper and desire and come back to Jamaica for she. But he choose to do that lady because maybe he see himself can build together with her. Plus he end
He
up
fell
having
in
kids
love
with
with
her.
her.
Yeah, and I understand when we go through to Kai. Remember, you come here now, you might see a better chance and a more. You might fall in love with the woman. You probably never gonna fall in love with her, you know. You probably gonna try a thing and it work out. And eventually, you just choose a way there, but I just say somebody have to get hurt. Because you have some man, remember I say, no, you struggle a yard, you know, and then you come up and get a chance, a better opportunity. You gotta choose a better opportunity. Somebody have to be that the one at Canada get hurt and the one at Jamaica. Him choose to hurt the one at Jamaica, but him still not forget hurt.
And you say this one
Still not
now,
get hurt.
Papa Ray, a whole heap of man do this to them woman a yard. Them
Yeah,
left
enough man do that.
and married and start a whole life and the woman then left down your ball and a worry. But you have some of them who use the woman them and fly come back to Jamaica, come bring up them baby mother.
Yeah, and
So
bring
it
up
go
them
vice
family.
versa.
And too, if you any man would feel like say them I got us come up and now go make that married to a woman to get them paper, them wrong. Or you pay somebody, you have two options, you spend the money or you find somebody. Yeah, so if you come up on a visitor's visa and you come here and him start work and him see same help back home, you might go choose to find somebody to be stable because him might feel hide and not take bullshit from people to survive. When you have a paper, you're more stable, so you might go hunt and find a woman who can help him. The woman back home now go understand that, you know, because she feel like he might, you know, we've been so long.
You owe him loyalty. You know, extra
Yeah.
you owe her
But
loyalty.
you come and you want to survive. Me mind, alright, say him sit down here for 2 years and say him nah, I'm go just ping pong and go and send back money. But after a while they start looking and say, yo, I need no papers, you know. What me I go do? Me I go give up on the yard.
Somebody say you
And
don't have to marry to get paper in Canada, but I think marriage should be the easier way out anyway you take it.
yeah, you not have to
No, you
marry to get
don't. You don't
papers.
have to
You
get
don't have
married.
to marry, but that's the
Mm-mm.
quickest way for him.
And
Because
it's
remember,
way.
not everybody know the way out. Some man know say they not have to marry. Some
So
man
which
say
other
them
way,
have to marry.
come educate me now, which other way you could have done now?
Him can you have other ways where you can apply for stuff, but it you apply for refugee.
You you
Either you
can
go school,
you can file all kind of paper, man. Yeah, man. You
you
have whole
can
heap of
file, you know,
different
but
options for stay.
you have
Yeah, but
different
the thing of
options,
it
but not
is, it's
everybody
quicker
know
to
the
marry
options.
and get it than to linger for years
You know
and
what I
don't.
mean?
I know some people that have been over here 20, 30 years and still
But
don't
that's
have it.
America. That's
Because
America. America is
yeah, but
different
in
from
Canada
Canada.
too, in
Canada
Canada, I know
too.
somebody been over there 10 years and still because of the way
But
they
mix up
tried to
boss,
get
the
their
easiest way
paperwork.
is marriage. The
So
easiest way is
you have
marriage.
to be careful which
Quickest
way
and
you
fastest
filing
way
to get your paper. Not
after married a
everybody get
woman.
through so fast by filing a different
You have
way.
other ways, but it gonna take a while. I
Long.
have to present a lot of documents. When
Oh
you're
God.
married now, you don't have to do all of that. There's something that cause your wife I do everything. I gonna be responsible for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and for the other one, them you have to present documents with genuine, and it have to make sense. When you're married, you don't have to do all of that. You just married,
Right.
say me love this person, and we good and we live together and we are share stuff, and we're going through. You check.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why you see enough man come and choose the marriage way than figure go through the other way, because some
Mm-hmm.
people don't know everything. When them come here, them don't know what the first thing to do. So the first thing a man I gotta think about, me I gotta find somebody to marry. Because that's the only option you know about. Until you're married now, you say, you know, say I have a next way we could I go.
But
I
up to
say,
now, when you go over there undocumented, your time is on your hand. You don't have time for your hand. You
alright.
get about 6 months. So in
You
order
get
to,
yeah.
you know if you 6 months pass and all of them things they expire, Lord God, you have to move.
Time is limited.
Time is
And
limited. So if you
plus you
can
have
meet
the
a
youth them
woman
back
married,
home.
yeah.
And them I go
Somebody
grow
text me
without
say,
you.
you should have tell the lady back home, say, you should have tell the lady where my married, say, have a woman back home. But me I tell
No.
them, say, the woman would sign, the woman would have married him.
Him can tell her same have him baby
No,
mother,
should
but
have
him would tell her
yeah.
same have a
No,
woman back
Lala.
home.
Mm-mm.
No, woman.
Me,
Every time I hear woman, well, under here, come on here and say, oh, if the guy is just honest and tell me that he don't want me before he married me, I would just give him his paper. Lie.
Yeah.
like a
Mix
No.
up
lie.
bars. Mix up
No, that
bars.
ain't that ain't
When
that
they
ain't
come
that
up,
ain't. If you honest with
mix up.
some
Listen,
people
they
go
come at
along
them
with
place,
it.
yeah.
That's not
Like,
truthful.
Yeah,
liar
but
your
you have
best.
to get some pleasure or something up here
Yeah.
benefit you.
Yeah,
Oh,
agreement.
that's what
Yes,
I
of
mean.
course, agreement. You
Yeah.
make
Mhm.
agreement,
You see
and you
that
stick
you
to
think
that
they might give you some
agreement
sex or might help you out with some farm away.
with
But you're not gonna
bills.
just get up and help a man just so.
With bills, he gonna come in. She gonna come and pay
Yes, that's what I
bills,
Yeah.
mean.
right?
I mix up
Yeah.
And you have that
if it was a
agreement,
business thing, we
right?
can be
And
honest.
sometimes when them
But
all sign up for that, the people them jeopardize them
yeah,
same
if you know
way.
business, you're not gonna be honest. Lie your best friend. Can't tell you that. Lie is your best friend when you are gonna go find somebody, man. Tell you that. So all what talk about don't tell lie,
And don't,
you better
yeah.
tell lie, you know. And that a man and woman, you know. Because
Mm.
if you go tell a woman where you meet and say you're gonna marry and say you have your woman back home, she withdraw that application of even want be in a relationship with you because you have you have a woman back home. So what you gonna do? Don't man want to hear that when you talk about marriage and relationship. So you him know what to think and say, I don't have nobody, me just have my baby mother that. Okay, baby mother, and that's it. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna be a mother. She a go work with that, you know. But tell her say your baby, your woman, baby mother, and you're not there for much years and you think no paper, you're not getting no paper. You might even never get a text again.
All woman
Everything
people,
start.
me know enough, me have story with enough woman chick some man say, yo, them want spend the rest of their life with them and this and that. And then get them something, then just lift up.
Yeah, and the same thing with that woman. If a woman come here and she find one man and she go say, you know, say me and my baby father when you say
I'm
that
going to
I'm
help
getting
him,
good.
more married and
That
help
them
him. Come on.
and me as a man, you tell me that me start doing for
No,
myself for
sir.
years. So you see, she come to me and say, me single and me free. Yeah, man, me ready now. And then
True.
she get her paper, she gone. I saw. But
That's how the game,
let
that's
me
how the
tell
game
people,
goes. It's just
this
reality.
is a game.
True.
Somebody's gonna get hurt. Either way. You just
Facts.
have to be, not always, you know. Not
Mm-hmm.
always, but either way, something
99.9
gonna
time.
get hurt if it have to go in a certain direction. But not all the time, because a man can just come and find real love, and a woman come and find real love. But lying at it
Line
and tell
out.
the
Some
truth
line
come
have
out.
to tell. Yeah, some line have to tell. And it's just,
Yeah, me.
it's sad.
And that's so
And this
yeah.
is why people, we have to just come to terms with reality now. We need to come out of this fairy tale mindset. So, oh, he's going to do this and we're going to live together ever. No. Because she thinks same I go foreign, come back, make life better and come back. But
No, it no works
she
so.
just sit down and wasted her years and just they want to cry.
I
You know what I
remember,
mean? This
he
fairy
might
tale
not
life
get
thing is
certain
like,
information from Canadian people don't know if a struggle with immigrant go through. Canadian people don't know the struggle where immigrant have to go through and things where because enough Canadian don't even know say you can get a regular ID because them just have a passport.
hmm,
You know, enough Canadian don't know the immigration law because they never been through it.
mm-hmm,
So if you meet one Canadian woman, she gotta just go through the regular way where she know married and do her thing. When you might meet a man who are immigrant and him say, you know, you can do this, that way there. And you say, but my woman don't know. She don't know. Enough people don't even know. Enough of them don't hear them, don't even know enough ways. So you
gotcha.
can't, you say, you have to understand. Yeah, man, I tell enough man that too. When they come here, lie your best friend, you know, you better not lie your fuck. And
Mm-hmm,
they teach about the head. You have to lie your way out if you really want. And if you truth, if you know say you're real, it work out either way.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. You know how much woman they are struggle right now, forget a paper, than a man with a struggle.
True, so enough woman call me on the dating show and say they want a man from America. And they say, dear me tell you the truth, me not straight. And I say, oh, that all work. No man not take on them the opportunity there again. And
Man
they
not
say,
take
no man
on
not
that
take on it. Mm-hmm.
mix up boss. The man them a Canada don't take up them the responsibility there cause once they get the catches, and the man they never want to take care of them own self, brother. The man them does not once they get the catches, then
Mm-hmm.
start draw back. So you
Mm-hmm.
know what and that's how I say so you come back to lie again. So we are some way it still end up you have to do something like that. Cause no
Mm-hmm.
for man them are not marry them. And woman them are they are struggle.
Wow. No, tell you
A
about.
serious thing, man. And when they come remember, as we still tell you before, a man more liable if you be responsible when he come on to marriage. When he know say if he come to divorce, he must go spend some money. I must go part ways when he know say he must go split this. I must go pay this. So when a man know that, he not gonna really jump up in it.
Paul
Then
Rose.
about that later.
No,
Rose
I'm
Gold.
there amidst the bro, I'm there amidst the whole thing. I mean, I use myself as an example as I'm on the travel. He probably left with the intention, you know, bro. But everybody where traveling know one thing. You can left with the intention. Because when I reach a foreign,
You
the reality
change.
is different. No, the
Reality.
reality of foreign, the expectation where you go there and where you have in your mind. Because enough man left say, oh, I go work and build up one upstairs house and this and that. But when you go there and the reality
A
of it,
different thing, you know.
yeah, you have to adjust. So him probably go with the intention for help
Well,
her, yes, but the reality of it, bro, you must say, boy, you know, look good, you know. Then you meet this woman now, bro, where probably change him life. He probably even start out saying I'm gonna use her, but to how she treat him, him just by default him just couldn't decide. You see me? Cause sometimes to bro it take one good woman for change a man to bro. And sometimes when you sit down with a woman and even with a woman sit down with a man too, and you meet somebody else, you really and truly
look,
look back in yourself and say, no, I waste me that waste all of my years them this so.
And
I
this is
look
no,
on
I
this
know
mix
some
up.
don't
I
like the
watch this
speech, there,
mix
bro.
up.
Hold on the other way. But always I said that. Me not like the speech there. I remember said this, guys. We need to come out of this mind frame that I try to tell you every day. Life is a learning course. So on the ways like you go up, on the road you go get a bumpy ride and you get a smooth ride until you reach the top. So example now, me go through 5 women, see, and all of them and me I finance them money wise. Some of them even buy me a brief or shoes, nothing. Me meet this lady now. She buy me shoes brief. She make me feel comfortable. Me and her good. We have build life. We have travel together. Everything. Life is so less stress and free. Me I go look upon her and say, boy, I'm sorry, we never meet her 20 years ago, but I better off in her life. We need to stop the foolishness there. You have to go through them experience there before you can know the person who you really want. I hate when people use the terms. All the man say to me, say, boy, dear man, if I did that 25 years ago, I would have let you go. I say, listen, you did have to go through what you have to go through with your husband and your baby father before you meet me. That's all I've said. So, me just never like hear that.
Yeah, because the experiences make you who you are. Your
Yeah,
ups and downs make you who
right.
you are. Yeah.
Lala can pass through two baby father we cheat her, but Lala meet one man, oh, me should have meet you 30 years ago, would have so much this, would have. Maybe I would have nothing, because maybe
They didn't
30
have
years
nothing.
ago, a different
Yeah.
mindset she have too.
Different mindset. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So,
Look on
just
this up,
enjoy our
right?
journey and explore, man. And know the
Absolutely.
light is at the tunnel, the end of the
I look on
tunnel.
the next because you as a man, you come and you be honest. You know where you gonna get the next fight from. You're honest to the woman, you know. But the parents them and the family them. So I say, where you gonna help one Jamaican. Them not good, you know. Them it's another fight
Yeah,
right
there
there. So
again.
yeah, check. Me I tell you
Jesus.
that. Born
London.
woman they go through
Yeah,
that.
morning. You know, so me, Rose make a talk, but me not believe what I agree with you say under the circumstance change certain people. It's like a lot of time, you know, we're in a relationship and we're in it because of a circumstance. And if we get a boss, we tell ourselves, say, yo, brother, that never was for me, you see me? So yeah, nothing to do with the circumstance. If your moral is fucked up, you always gotta do fucked up shit.
Oh, so you don't agree with Gold Rose with them say sometime. Yeah.
No, brother, because that's like saying, that's like, cause love we are talking about, you know, love make man act like a madman. So you coming over here can't get change. Me see man over here will love them girl and send everything I had give them. So I can't
Oh.
understand. I know the place change.
Facts. Facts.
Rose Gold, what you say?
Bro, may I tell you, say, bro, you still not, me don't want to misinterpret me saying it, bro. The circumstances are different, and the reason why I say this. Me never travel a day in my life yet. Me don't know where Canada or US or anywhere that Jamaica is like. So me looking from the outside, me can say, yo, when me go foreign, me I go do this and me I go do that. Not thinking about anything else because me never go there to experience it yet. The moment me drop there and realize say bombard say no say me have to pay bills now, me have to pay this. Me realize yo that's not the reality what me have in my head. If you say, yo, me can come work and build up one 2-story house in a 6 months, because that's the expectation where a lot of people have. But until you go there for yourself and experience it, the little imagination where you have in your head, it change, because that is not the reality of how it works.
Brother, me not telling you, like, whoever tell you that, never do want to help you at the time. But no, bro, it don't work like that, bro. Your mindset will make you. So you see, if you go somewhere, it's just a different currency and a different living, bro.
No, rubbish, bro.
Adapt.
Example me use, you know.
Yeah, me know, but you
Me
adapt to
traveling,
where
bro. So I tell you, first thing first, when I go in a country, if, like, for example, if you're not, say, for example, say, American, you're limited to certain right through. So no, go ahead.
No, you probably, if you come to America, I'm probably go in like in the red state then. But if you come to America, you're there, New York City and them places, brother, you're gonna survive that. You get all the book, your work, you get all the work.
Surviving sound like you tell me say Antomot same way, but that wasn't the expectation I have before me come a foreign. But when I come there now, but that exactly what I try to say to you, bro. Say the expectation different from the reality. That's what I try to say. The expectation, just as though everybody at Jamaica thinks that people are foreign and make crazy money because them never got to experience it yet. Until them got to experience it, them say, boy, Mr. Rough over here. Exactly, that's all me I say, bro. The expectation different. So me can there so no one say, yo, I G them. When I go foreign, man, I nah sell out, I bust the whole of one. In your head.
When I go in, I bust nobody.
Yes, no, but in your head, cause when I go, I say, yo, I'm a tune, bro. From my boss, all of my dog, them for but when I go there and say, oh, work permit hard, forget the reality different from the expectations, bro. That is all I was saying.
And you know, saying right, cause enough man tell me say when they go find them a bus and send back for me and help me, I know.
I know you're not right?
No, but
I don't know that. Me have my bread in them there, and most who can move my bus more than my bread in them answer that. But it's like, I don't know, it's like people sit down and say, yo, them not do something for somebody with their yard. It's like you really have to be a fucked up pussy. Like, bro, cause you left from over there, so. And you, because you get Americanized, you tell me, say you turn your back now?
Yeah, but no, that's what happened to enough man, because when they come and start at work. And
bro, but it's not as easy to bring up somebody come America.
Yeah, you have to get somebody to marry
and
them.
Just a friend. Exactly, bro. It's not as easy. It's not as easy because
you say it, but when you realize you lick you
and the bills alone.
And that's how you go.
Sticky in a different thing, you know, but when you see man come and take up some bills, you never have enough to spend for buy things yourself because when you don't pay your bills.
Boy,
you
probably
you're going to send $100 back home.
Probably from a female.
Probably guys, if you marry a woman where all our money go to her account, Jesus God, she want to know where this go, that go, that never suffer.
I'm most say woman they way buck up in a, you know, see enough man buck up in a some woman where mafia she have your money time money. You can't even spend dollar good. And man, it's struggle real. That's why enough man aim to get them PR and get them stay in the country. Cause when them you struggle when they don't have paper, you know.
Yeah.
And when you have paper, you still struggling, you know, but you're just more safer. You can get a better job. You can do certain things. You can go build up your education a little more. So it's struggle real. Enough man come here and say they're not turn them back, and then they and them say me not go back at Jamaica.
No, but me I talk about like not like friend wise, right? When we say like relationship, right? If me have a girl a yard, right, and me say me and my girl a deal, I'm gonna come over here, so right? What could I really happen to make me?
You don't know, no. It did my enough man come here and say they're not.
It's Sophia.
And things happen. I tell you, enough man left them good woman back home. And totally, it does. You don't know. You might be good and comfortable, and I say you gotta do the right thing. And by next week, your woman never hit back for you, you know. And you yourself now catch it, you know. But it happen because life, bills. You have to do so much thing. You have to make sure you're on the right path. You have to make sure you're not getting that trouble because you start learn. But remember, you learn, you know.
Alright, I'll share a situation with you know.
Yeah.
One of my sister, she have to hear about this thing, but I can't call her name, but it's a reality. All right, she have this boyfriend. She have one son with him. In God came and work, and then he come back in a 2 year and get our next son. Long story short, he tell her say he might set up himself and then I come back and send money for build house. When he build the house, he man go live and the people then can come and go and happy family. She was 26 at the time. Long story short, him go back and find left her the two pitney them. All him do is just send money come mine pitney them. Till he reach 20 years. Till the pitney then get big. And all now, the dream that when tell her say him and her go have, it's not happening. And she have to just move on with her life, gone in a church, find one next little husband. The kids then big now still, thank God. So sometimes person can sell person a dream and when they reach a foreign, it's like reality is look like say India came on now and he maybe find a next woman when feel like life is higher and life is much better. So he might go just stay over there and just start his life that way and live
But
the
me
life
don't know.
then.
Me don't know. Me
Mix
not
up.
thinking me want nobody come with him because if you have plan to leave somewhere, brother, and you are try work for
Big
her,
up
why the
here.
hell you try get her pregnant for she have more time for what she dey?
It's mind, everybody mind different, you know. Your mind good,
Mm-hmm.
next man mind full of bullshit. So you know, say
Exactly.
all it. So everybody has a different mind. Cause me and mind dep on a positive part, and a man there and it. Me I tell you things you they are firing and you just get stressed. When you're there Jamaica, you never stress it, you know. And when you come here, so you really see what stress mean. You know when you know say you have stress, and when you got a doctor and the doctor say your blood pressure high, and all, and you say no, me not high blood pressure. And man, I say, yeah, your blood pressure high, your sugar high, everything high. You never know, you know much man they at home right now, we're young and get stroke. Them never know, say them stress out. So I tell you, you might feel like foreign a bed of rose. And a bed of rose, bro. A beer rose is until you put the
Alright,
bed with it.
Papa, watch out. Make my career the day, man. Based on the situation now, and we're gonna just ask some question. You have a woman in Jamaica, right? You love her and you get a bus for going. We're gonna walk through the steps of what it would have take.
So,
We bring her come and foreign. Remember you got up on a visa. Why first step for you even legal in a country first before you can even think about her? You have to marry, you know.
yep.
Bro, the
Yeah.
problem is, listen, the problem is the people them when them come here, them too worried about to get a relationship. Listen, you see your outer appearance is everything. You see if you come here and you get your money where you do anything and you invest in yourself, you make yourself more appealing. You see me? So it comes down to investment. You can't come here and then you run down a girl she tell us married, you're not going with nothing, you're not investing in yourself. So you see me I say? Only if a yard man come over here, bro.
I got it.
The same moral way you have where you take care of yourself and everything. You come over here, you do the same thing, bro. And you think I go get you, bro. America, this dog.
Alright. And at that, but you see, that's the thing here, them come with that, but when they sit down there and say, oh, boy, I need my paper, you know, and them, I get the, I know a people, and then I go around Jamaican people, that's our next thing. Because some of them, a man I got tell you, you're married, you know, and the next man, because enough man doesn't know say I'm married at the option, because of that, them go through.
Yeah.
So I'm going to force you to do that, bro. That's why if you come and start link with other people, you might know other option, but they're on their own people, them. That one option, them know, you know.
All right, I could
And your
get
own
yes,
people, them
man.
are mess up.
I could get yes, morning. Andrea, may I bring you down? Thanks for your input here, baby.
Yeah, big.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yes, morning.
Yeah, morning. Big up to everybody upon the panel.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, yeah, the quick vibes, yeah. I mean, I hear you.
Mm.
America
Mm.
in a play place. If you know what I do. See, I 30 years I mean at this Gideon, yeah. And America tough now back in the 90s.
Mm.
But this now, me I give you a personal thing. Buck a catty. See, marry the catty. I have 2 youth with the catty. See, catty help me out. At the same time, the catty old lady. Now I pray me. Beer fight. After the cat helped me, that at the first stage with the G thing, the card thing,
Mm-hmm.
get a job, buy a crib in a fair name, meet her with 1 youth. So 3 youth that. You know what I say? A couple years later, The cat tell me, say, well, boy, you know, so the paralegal from the location, they say you can't file for your book now. But put it off. See? Because me I try establish the work thing. You know, so the people them can say, well, boy, you do the right thing. That's around maybe 2011. When I'm ready for go for you now, I'm going to go to the office without letting she know. The paralegal asked me for your documentation, and I never really have she have access to them thing there. She got bring it back not to fear her family. And you know, sir, them try to do everything for me go back on the bird of Jamaica. Said I go to nursing school too, while me I do the work. And she graduate, and after she graduate now, she start carrying on with a bag of things. I block her now 3 years. And the police just show up on my yard the other day. And somebody have my son with me. I said, well, boy, because I'm not technically married same way. And I really not just not really put in a order. Him can go with her, and him big enough now. Him turn 18 next month. She helped me. So I turn around and help her even more. And when she graduate, RN program, she try to do everything to get me deported. So rude boy, but they are knowing everything good. Few years well now. But sometimes you have to just bite the bullet, play the game. You gotta get the fight. Some people come and them get it easy just like that. But some people, for the most part, go through struggle.
Better know. So if you have 100%, 20 get it good, and you want the next rest, struggle.
Just life. So however the cards them play, and the dice roll upon you, you have to just play your hand. Don't get yourself involved with a nothing named DV. If you reach certain place, step.
For real, man.
Find some people, you know, the money not really, not everybody have money and thing. But there are outlets out there, especially in some place like New York. I left them place a long time now. But in them little places, New York, Jersey, Connecticut, there are places where you can go and them can help you. And if she married and says she can help you and she violate you, the family are, I mean, it not have to be physical, you know, because verbal abuse is a real thing. It can destroy your mental. And then if you don't control your emotions, you're going to react, and the way you react, now go good, make it even worse for you. See? So, like I said earlier, a little man said something earlier, say, well, boy, you know, when you're there, yeah, before you come, you have this thing in your mind, say, yeah, when you reach over, so, you're not throwing a stone behind you. You go hold on your people, them same way, for sure, so you're a real youth and thing. But when reality kick in, when you touch the ground, you boy, them things not even on your mind anymore. You forget all your friends them. And you not even realize you forget them.
Yeah, all right.
Because you know that thing now will start reach you personally. And you try to fix you.
When you
24 hours
finish, more
and time now wait for nobody, so time fly. You not even realize how much time fly. At 2026 we know.
All right. Yeah, man. Reality, I want
well,
serious thing.
I understand where I come from, but my because me look more younger. But father, my generation no pre like certain man pre right now. Like the thing like right now is like man come over here and it's like if them get the girl them pre family and relationship. It's like brother, we're not telling like it's an evil world right now. If you are gonna use somebody to get where you're there, you are gonna just do that, brother. Cause all of them something that where you go through for that, me can't fall for them victimizes because me not breed nothing.
Alright, me show you vibes in regards to that. You'll meet a female, and it go both ways. See? Not just male, I look a female. You have woman over here look man too. See? But we more say kind of focus on the man and the woman, the man, wherever I look from. The woman will meet you and say she can help you. And it's when you realize now who you are, the ambition where you have, the drive where you have, the capabilities where you have. She not let you go, you know.
But
Before
this
you get that the document, then you have to do something for she tie you.
But then, listen what me answer, right? It all come down to the mindset. If me I go talk to somebody, me I go tell her straight up. If me have to go manipulate her and tell this a girl, say, listen girl, me no want my youth born in a poverty, and me no want have no youth while me not on paper. Something I for go run, brother, cause Jamaica come from a program I for go run. But me not go for that, father. Like, no, so you have no, something I forgot give because if me I go sit down there and we are gonna tell myself, say, let's have the kid while you know my situation, that don't make no sense, girl. You want it's a disaster you want. So you have to tell them, make them know straight, and once they know, say, yo, you're not idiot, them are gonna know the real thing, brother. Yeah, listen, at different time nowadays, brother. You can't make them woman here ruin your life and then sit on one side and say, look for me, make me done him. You see me? No, our generation now go for that, brother. We devious just like them.
Oh, that's not you. Just telling.
Okay. All right, let me add somebody else to the panel, right? So hold on there. I will just say, all the lady there try to add. Yes, big up yourself, and appreciate your input. You know what I mean?
It rough over your road boy and the whole will come from Jamaica. Seeing? And when we meet each other over here, we use certain position and status to beat the person who you are trying to help.
It happen every time because I have stories with that also for me. All right, Nick, hold on. I put what's your name? Nikki. Nikki, turn on your nice in the background. Here, please. Now on the nice over here. All right, Nikki. You see you send me a request. May I add you back? No, I'm add Christopher because I'm not get you.
When we have the kick in, a different thing. When I come and start different ball game.
Mix up,
Different ball
boss. What
game.
man?
Yeah, I'll go on, G. I'll go on, Christopher.
Long time. Happy New Year, boss.
Yeah, man, same to you.
Big up the people and what up on the panel.
Big up.
Yeah, man.
One man, when I turn on the show, I'm not take care. We're at two. One man did a bother me from something there.
Yeah,
From
yeah.
I'm saying the team. See, man? Yeah, laugh, yeah, running now. Eh? Yeah, running now, go nowhere. Yeah, turn right or something. I'm gonna put up a
See
flyer.
what Kiki said. She said, "At my age, the men I deal with has to keep up with me." I see them when me find out them have to try to keep up with me. No, son, I can't bother.
So when you say what age again? You say you can't bother the old. What you call old man? Because when you said that a while ago, I think
No,
it.
some of, when I mean old, I mean their mentality is just, oh, me no listen to dancehall music. Me don't go listen to soft music. What you say? What you say to me? Me like listen to everything, every and all things. Me like me moment just drop me in the dancehall, me act dancehall. Drop me in the soft music, me act that way there. You drop me
I
anywhere,
know,
me
so
go act that way
are
there.
you ready? Do you have on make your man them
Me don't
already?
know, me don't know if I it. Me
You
don't
have
know
on
what.
ready? Are you ready? Do you have on now?
Yes, man, I see him where me look.
Let me see a fan
saw me
video.
look.
Let me see. You did show me one video. Let me see. Let's see.
Lord
Let's see if I
God.
filter I use. I'll be a chicken there. I check your man them fan there.
Hold on.
Hold on, put it on him. Oh, you that. Oh,
I
yeah.
mean,
You don't look
me say
bad.
me there see.
Oh, yeah, there I see. How should I tell you? Florida, you live.
Yeah, but me go Mexico. Me I go back to my yard.
You alone. Are we in a room with you? Mr. Somebody, Mr. Like,
A woman.
but you look like a Mexican man.
No,
Papito, look like
me a
Papito.
I can't Papito can't manage me. Sure.
Ooh, okay. So, talk about what age you want. What you want? You want a little ragamuffin man from Jamaica where wear clocks and them something and a spinning ratchet, so?
Lord God.
What you want?
When he come, me we know.
When you come, you know. So you want
Uh,
from age 45 to 50, you say?
me go back you up to 40. Mm-hmm.
Alright, 40 to 50.
Yes.
Okay, and I'm happy up to date, you know, an old fashioned man with just think one
Yeah,
way.
but I would, suppose you can talk about any little thing, anything, you know what I mean? Just
Yeah, okay.
outspoken and up top and just
Stop. Yeah. Start the
yeah, and
things them.
just
No one the boring thing and them something.
no, so me can't. I'm not reach this yet.
True, true, true.
Me
And
say
I
here, me
think the
love.
older we get, we need to spice up our life. We can't lay
Listen,
back and feel
Lord
like say
Jesus,
we are
listen.
all up
Listen, let me tell
and
you something. All of the young girl can do it the same way and more.
believe it, darling.
Okay. Now play with
Believe
me.
real man.
So me just want somebody to back up that same way. I may get trouble. Yes.
Yeah, how much again, Lola? 45? 48?
Yeah.
48 from Florida.
45.
So guys,
Yeah.
she said if she talk to a Jamaican man, if he's willing to fly her out, just imagine that. Fly out to Browning and
My
yeah,
fair
this
having money.
ma,
I mean yeah,
ma,
fair
ma,
having look of money. My fair having look of money. I mean me come to Jamaica often, but me no want fair feed you and all and thing there. You understand?
oh, okay,
Like if
okay.
me come to Jamaica, me have to pay your way and me can't bother with that. Me not do
If
that.
you go on Airbnb, you have to pay. You
Pay,
have to pay
no,
for plane
sir.
fare.
No.
You have to pay for
Eh,
Airbnb. You have to pay for food.
no, sir.
You have to pay for rental. Yeah.
Everything.
What can go
I mean,
so?
I mean, I have no problem for getting more rental, you know, because I always do that and pick it up at the airport. But me no want to, you know, have your own little thing, man, and look at, man, look good. Can make look good same way too, you know, next year. You know what I mean? Look good,
True,
man,
true,
and
true. Have a different
rare
thing.
and thing. Yeah.
True, true, true.
Somebody say me forget young boy. No, really.
No, she just want somebody with a little sauce and flavor. You know, have to be.
Yeah.
You know what I say? I just say thing there. Anybody else want to come in our box? Please, let me get at least 3 single women get on our match. It may have some man from England and
Ladies,
Canada.
Kiki,
And the
ya
man
come.
them, let me put out this on the top show. When a woman then get to the number and I talk to them, I post them, I send them picture of house, send them picture of car and all type of foolish. Listen, the people that live a foreign that no work with foreign woman, a Jamaican woman they work with. When the top send woman their house, I don't even know if you screenshot them off my web and I send go give woman both and them phone. When stop, you don't know the lyrics. Eh?
No look so.
What go on?
But then, fam,
Yeah, how much?
40,
40. Which one you live?
Jamaica.
Jamaica, Lord God help me. Where you want a woman from? Jamaica?
Anywhere about. Yo,
Anywhere. You're there on the work?
anywhere. I work me there. Me a security.
Yeah, see. Where your name? Where your name? Where your name?
Servant Williams.
Say you have no woman live with.
No,
Servant Williams, nobody with the line, man. Just stop and talk to me, man. Look like you run from a woman. How
no.
you do?
Somebody I come out I gate. I open that out the gate.
Oh, you're
Respect
there
you
for
know.
a resort? You're there for a
Everyone
resort?
here. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So you want a woman? What age woman you want?
From 30 to 40.
30 to 40. You have any kids?
No.
Okay, you live by yourself?
Yeah.
Because I ask you one important question. If you answer this, maybe a woman will go DM you now and tell us if you like it. Ready? I'm
Yeah.
going to be honest with me because we do it over here. Well, as I get some pum pum.
Last year, October.
Last year, October.
Yeah.
So that was a relationship or you just get some from a girl where rate you.
But just find out one girl that rate my nose gonna give me peace.
And get peace. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, so okay. So you want a serious relationship that can lead to marriage and settle down.
Yeah, and settle down.
And settle down. Alright,
I'm
ladies,
also
so
a
you get
Christian.
your 40-year-old, I'm single, you know,
I'm a
no woman to worry about. You live by yourself, though?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. This sound like you can work, ladies. See that? How are you doing? Can you hear? Hold it down.
A grey year.
A gray hair. Oh. Not wrong with gray hair, man. I have gray hair too. Yeah. Okay, alright. So unreasonable. Which part of Jamaica you from, bro?
St. Mary.
St. Mary. Okay, okay. Anyway, me come up this Sunday.
Where?
Bascobel.
Oh, me have to pass this up on me yard.
Yeah, me I come up there. Get one shot of the drop somebody up there. I drop them up
Nice.
there.
Man. Thanks, Melodon.
At first, you come on the program.
Yeah, but me always a listen to you.
Oh, on YouTube? Oh, where?
YouTube and TikTok. Always over here listening to you.
Okay, okay. Well, you finally get to come on
First,
the platform.
yeah, first me I come up in a box.
Okay, big up yourself, man. We love his strength, you know?
And you
Put
know,
one
a good
night.
work you do.
Yeah, no,
Me
we
like
have
the
to put in the
motivation.
work and do the thing different from everybody else, is it?
Yeah, yeah. Me like what go on, man. The energy over here up, you know.
Different. Mature audience, big people, we know in the idleness, we know in the baba baba, we just go and keep it real, you know what I mean?
Same summit.
Ingrid say you're handsome. Ooh, Ingrid, you come like you want him. Ingrid live at UK and you talk to an English woman?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Alright, ladies, if you don't want him, you can DM him. I want more you do, G. Send me a number in my message. So I can have your number for if somebody see it. Then you can, how tall are you, by the way?
I'm 5'9".
5'9". Alright, that not sound bad. 5'9". That means you can turn up and wine. That not sound bad. Alright? Yeah, man. And your belly not big. Alright, my G. Alright. Then say stand up and then say. Alright. So one lady from America says she had 36. 36, Stacy. Stacy, give him a chance, huh? How much he weigh? I can't ask him man that. The man can't know that Ingrid. Ingrid, go in our inbox, message him. You want to put out a number for the year?
Me weigh 190.
That's not bad. You want to put out a number for the year for your woman call you?
Yeah.
Go on then, no?
1876 537 7174.
Repeat it again.
1876 537 7174.
Alright, do that. Big up yourself. And send me a number in our DM message so I can keep it in case somebody will watch it. Otherwise, I
Respect it.
want.
Yeah,
Big up
man.
yourself.
Me there,
What is
me
that?
there,
What is under my nose?
Mouth.
I'm out.
All right, respect.
Yeah. Alright, ladies, so see your number there so you can call him. Call him, no, you can't just communicate. You understand? Just stay and go on, you know what I mean? So put myself out there too, I know. I go and watch what I go on. Put myself out there. I mean, I give everybody woman and me not get one. You think I say it, I go? I have to get one, I don't know. Oh, my son. Yeah, man.